Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to fix something very important for our website. So we have created our products, organized our collections, and set up many things in our website. But we have not properly set our product prices yet. We also have not changed our store currency. So before we move forward, let's fix our store currency first. So open Shopify, settings, general settings. So here you see the store currency is Pakistani rupees. And since we are building this store for the US market, we're going to select USD, US dollars. So just click on change store currency, change it to US dollars and save. And that's it. And if you refresh, now our store currency is in US dollars and it fixed. So let's move to our store pricing. So for that purpose, I'm going to open two tabs. In the first tab, I'm going to open Printify and open any product in Printify that you saved. So I'm choosing this one. Click on it. And in the next tab, choose the same product in Shopify. So this makes it easy to compare everything. So in Printify, we can see our base product price. Open Printify, scroll it, and here you see the product shipping cost, your product base price, retail price, profit margin, each and everything. But we are not going to use the retail price that Printify recommends because we are going to calculate our own price based on the real cost of running our store. Because when we start running ads on TikTok, Facebook, or any platform, we also need to leave some money for advertising purpose. And because this is a new store and we don't have real advertising data yet, so we need to make a starting estimate. So for that purpose, I made a simple rule how to calculate our final retail price. So that covers our product cost, shipping, estimated delivery, Shopify payment fees, and our target profit. So first of all, you need your product cost. So here you see the product cost is 10 USD dollars. And here I write. So basically this is the base price of product cost in Printify. So this is the shipping cost. And if we add our product cost plus shipping cost, so our product base price will be $16. And if you see, Printify recommend the retail price to $17. So we got no profit in this product if we sell this product in $17 because we have to cover our advertising cost. So because this is a new store and we don't have real advertising data. So here is the basic formula that your estimated ad cost is equal to 50% of product cost. So 50% means if product cost is $10, so $5 is the advertising cost. So it is our estimated advertising cost. Once we're running ads, we will replace the estimate cost with our real CPA. So total ad spend divided by actual CPA means total ad spend divided by number of orders. Then we have to add our target profit. We need to decide how much profit we want. For example, I set the target profit margin to 20%. You can change this to 30, 40 as per your need, but it not be too high. So it basically means I want 20% of the final selling price as profit. So the final pricing formula will be final price is equal to product cost plus shipping cost plus estimated ad cost plus 0.30. So basically 0.30 cent is the fixed order price that Shopify charge. And you can divide it to 1 minus 2.9%. So 2.9% mean, so as we use Shopify payments as our payment method, so it will charge 2.9% and minus target profit margin. So let's enter all the numbers because we already have all the numbers, our product price, product cost, shipping cost, our ad cost plus 0.30 divide into 1 minus 0.029 minus 0.20. So basically it's our profit margin. So final price will become $28 $28.39. So we can change it to 28.99, or you can either change it to 29.99. So now we have a retail price that covers our product cost, our shipping cost, advertising cost. It also covers Shopify fees, and also we get some profit. And remember one thing, it is the starting ad cost that we imagine 50% of our product cost. When we start running ads and we have real data, so you can replace the numbers. So I will add these details in the description below, so you can use them to calculate your own product prices. Now update the price in Printify and Shopify as well. So I'm going to change it to 29.99 and also change it to Printify. Edit price. So do the same for all other products, either the products on Printify or Shine On. So I'll update all the other product prices later. And that's it for today. We have set our prices that covers our expenses and gives us a target profit. In the next video, we finally going to start designing our Shopify homepage and turn everything into a beautiful professional online store. So make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.